Of people trying to get out of Florida because of Irma heading their way.
Yeah, it really does. But a family who is moved to Orlando from Shawnee is staying and getting ready for impact. Fox 4's Rob Collins just spoke with the family and has more on their plans. Hey, Rob.
Yeah, they kind of don't know what to do right now.
Yeah.
Cautiously optimistic, if you will, because it's uncharted territory for most folks in the Orlando area. Joe and Annie Haefner, along with their 2 young boys, moved to Orlando 2 years ago. They tell me they've seen storms before, but like most folks in Orlando, they don't know what to do because they've never seen anything like Irma roll up Florida. Hurricane Irma is coming. Haefner says he purchased 65 gallons of water and hundreds of batteries along with food and necessities just in case. He says the mood around town is a bit weird because some people are freaking out, others aren't worried. But the unknown, the scary part at this point, because most of the time the hurricanes die down by the time they get to Orlando. Haefner says usually it's just basically like a windy day here in the Midwest. He says stores and gas stations are packed, as we've shown you. He says people are actually posting pictures of places that have water and gas on Facebook, and then they're gone.
I'd say people are pretty concerned because this could be one of the biggest hurricanes, from what I understand, to ever hit Central Florida. Even though it's coming in from the south tip, it's supposed to die down. I mean, if you look at statistics, part of the reason we moved to Orlando is it's I think, the safest place in Florida for a hurricane. Yet when you're talking 100-mile-per-hour winds sustained.
Yeah, those winds, that's what they're going to get. I was just talking to Joe, and he tells me, and Joe Haefner was telling me that they're worried about tornadoes coming with the hurricane. And I just spoke with Joe Laurie, and he said that is a big concern. Haefner says he's been in contact with his family back here in the metro. He says they're concerned about them in Orlando, but they're not trying to make a big deal about it, trying to keep themselves and the grandkids from not getting all worked up because they have 2 little boys. So we'll hear more from Joe and his family coming up in the next hour, guys.